We are planting seeds. These are coriander seeds. My school gave this pencil which has seed. It's written coriander. These are pudina stems. Coriander. This part, no?
Yeah.
Friends, how often do you plant the seed? Akhtar, get me scissor. Why? Because I said you to. Friends, it's so fun and so good to plant your own seed and watch it grow. You can grow so many plants at home. Even if you don't have a small container, you can even grow it in a coconut shell. You can ask your mother for some seeds, tomato, methi, coriander, and you can just plant them and watch them grow. My favorite plant is tomato. You can also grow money plant, tulsi. You can also grow aloe vera. My plant is here. It's not a plant. It's a pencil. But it's also a plant. How? How it is a plant? It's like a plant. Because they paint. I dig out the seeds.
Why?
Because I don't know did I dig them properly.
That's it. No problem.
This is fertile, no?
Huh?
I planted some coriander seeds which my school gave, and some pudina stems which my mother had. I'm thinking what else can I plant? Tomato? Please! Mango! It's a tree. You'll grow a tree here. Yeah. I'm going to plant a money plant. Excited. Bye friends, I'll keep you updated on my bye friends, and do let me know which plant did you plant.
Which seeds you want?
Some flower seeds.
And?
Brinjal you can grow.
Brinjal, yes.
Brinjal. No, brinjal you only can cut and get. I want to grow black brinjal.
We'll grow tomato.
So I will grow hibiscus, rose and brinjal. Tomato.
Okay.
But I want to go yellow rose.
Yellow rose. Okay. We can grow herbs. Herbs.
Friends, grow plants to nurture the future.